Selamat datang ke episod kedua Cuba Jawab. Nama saya Mujahid dan saya adalah host anda untuk siri ini. Dalam siri ini, peserta-peserta harus menjawab soalan tentang Singapura yang agak mudah. For this episode, it will be quite interesting because why? We will be talking about Singapore's heritage, a journey through time. Okay, so hari ni kami ada peserta kami iaitu anak dan bapa. Abang dah ready?
Yes.
Adik dah ready?
Yes.
Okay, abang cuba kenalkan diri abang kepada mereka semua.
Okay, hi, I'm Fidaus. Okay, dan ini anak saya.
Hi, I'm Shinaz and this is my father.
Itu dia. Okey, jom kita pergi ke soalan pertama. What was Singapore originally called before Sir Stamford Raffles arrived? A. Pulau Singa Kecil. B. Pulau Harimau. C. Lion City. Or D. Temasek.
Temasek.
Temasek, adik? Temasek? Jawapan D. Temasek? Kita tengok. Jawapan anda betul. Okey, kita pergi ke soalan seterusnya. Which river was a major trading hub in early Singapore? A. Kallang River. B. Singapore River. C. Sungai Api-Api. Or D. Temasek River.
Singapore River. Singapore River.
B.
Yeah.
Abang, D? Betul? Log in? Okay, kita tengok. Jawapan anda betul, B. Singapore River. Okey, soalan seterusnya. Which year did Sir Stamford Raffles first land in Singapore? A. 1819. B. 1820. C. 1989. Or D. 1818. Ini susah ni. Agak-agak. Which year?
I think it's A.
You think it's A?
Yeah.
Abang?
Support A.
Support anak Okey. Kita try. 1819. Jawapan anda betul. 1819. So far okey abang. Soalan dia susah tak?
Ya, semalam gudi-gudi Facebook juga.
Oh, semalam dah check. Dah tahu. Okey, kita tengok kalau abang dapat check soalan seterusnya. Okey, soalan seterusnya. What is the name of the historic district where Malay royalty used to live? A. Bukit Merah Palace Grounds. B. Kampung Pacitan. C. Kampung Glam. Or D. Teluk Blangah Royal.
D.
D. Teluk Blangah Royal. Adik pula?
Yeah.
D. Ikut je. Okey, so D. Teluk Blangah Royal. Okay. Jawapan anda salah. Jawapan betulnya ialah C. Kampung Glam. Jawapan abang Teluk Blangah Royal kan? Abang tahu tak? Tu tempat makan tau abang. Itu sebab jawapan betul dia adalah C. Kampung Glam. Okey? Okey, soalan seterusnya. What was Singapore's key trade commodity in the 19th century? A. Spices, particularly pepper and gambia. B. Salts. C. Wood and salts. D. Spices, salts and rattan.
A.
Wah, pantas Okey, nak tanya kenapa A?
Pasal ada yang last word tu apa?
Last
Gambia.
word, gambia. Okey, nanti saya check.
Macam gambler.
Macam apa?
Macam gambler.
Macam gambler. So abang tengah gambling sekarang ke? Okey, kita tengok Jawapan anda betul. So abang tahu tak gambia ni apa?
Tak.
Tak tahu.
Tak.
Okay, so gambia ni is actually used as a herbal medicine. So back then in the 19th century ni gambia ni memang popular lah.
Okay. Right.
Kita learn something new each day Okay, soalan seterusnya. What does the name Singapura mean? A. Pulau Temasek. B. Pulau Singa. C. City of Spices. Or D. Lion City. D?
Yeah.
Lion City?
Yeah.
Senang kan?
Yeah.
Sebab itulah jawapan anda betul. Okey. Tapi kan kalau nampak Pulau Temasek tu agak-agak macam boleh juga betul So dulu kan
juga.
kita panggil Singapore as Temasek. Tapi ni bila dah dapat nama Singapura tu betul-betul kita tahulah Lion City. Okay, next question. What was the main reason immigrants from China and India came to Singapore in the 19th century? A. To invest in Singapore's early banking system. B. To work as labourers in the growing port and trade industry. C. To become part of the local military. Or D. To avoid problems they were having from their homeland. Okey, apakah jawapan anda?
B.
B? Abang? Agree?
Follow.
Full?
Follow.
Okey, kita full lock. Okey, jawapan anda B. To work as labourers in the growing port and trade industry. Jawapan anda betul! Wah, adik macam tahu je adik. Belajar di sekolah?
Yeah.
Betul?
Ya.
Wow, okey. Soalan seterusnya. Who is the first Prime Minister of Singapore in 1959? A. Yusof Ishak. B. S. Rajaratnam. C. Lim Bo Seng. Or D. Mr. Lee Kuan Yew.
Mr. Lee Kuan Yew.
Wow. Tahu option A, B, C atau D tak?
D.
D. Oh, dia dah pantas cakap tau Mr. Lee Kuan Yew sebab dia dah confident. Betul tak? Confident?
Yeah.
Okey. Sebab confident sangat, jawapan anda betul! Okey, soalan seterusnya. How did Singapore Botanic Gardens contribute to the global rubber trade? A. They exported rubber saplings to other colonies in Southeast Asia. B. They helped establish early rubber plantations in Malaya. C. It played a key role in cultivating rubber trees and spreading the industry across Southeast Asia. Or D. They supplied rubber seedlings to British colonial estates.
I answer ya. Okay. B.
B. Adik?
Yeah.
B juga. They helped establish early rubber plantations in Malaya. Jawapan anda B tu salah. Jawapan yang betul adalah C. It played a key role in cultivating rubber trees and spreading the industry across Southeast Asia. Saya faham bang. Sebab soalan ni agak confusing sikit. Tapi tak apa. Saya harap next question abang akan dapat betul. Boleh? Okey, abang dah ready? Alright, soalan seterusnya. Soalan terakhir. Okey, ni kita try dapat betul ke? What is the significance of the Chinatown district in Singapore's history? A. It was the original site of the British Parliament in Singapore. B. It was the settlement area for Chinese immigrants who played a crucial role in shaping Singapore's commerce and culture. C. It was the primary site for rubber processing factories. Or D. It's a main site for celebrating Chinese New Year. Wah.
Can you answer?
D? B.
Ya.
Tapi adik pernah pergi Chinatown tak? Adik tak pernah. Abang kalau abang pergi Chinatown, abang nampak apa?
Lampu-lampu.
Lampu-lampu. Tapi bukan hari raya tau. Bukan lampu lalip tau.
Bukan lah.
Oh sama juga. Chinatown ada lampu-lampu.
Banyak lampu-lampu.
Tapi abang dah nampak lion dance ke?
Ada juga.
Abang ada niat tak nak join lion dance?
Tak.
Tak ada. Okay, so jawapan anda B. It was a settlement area for Chinese immigrants who played a crucial role in shaping Singapore's commerce and culture. Jawapan anda B untuk soalan terakhir. Jawapan anda betul! Wah, tanya. So dalam 10 soalan ni, adik ingat tak berapa soalan adik dapat betul?
Tahu ni? 8. 8 is it?
Wah, 8 eh. Wah adik, 8 out of 10. Lagi sikit full mark. Tapi nak tanya, macam mana adik abang tahu tentang soalan-soalan ni semua? Pernah belajar di sekolah ke?
Yeah.
Particularly in what subject? Tiba-tiba adik macam teringat balik, cikgu pernah ajar ni. History. Oh, abang pula kalau nak cakap zaman sekolah,
Abang dah lost track. Ni main tembak je.
ni main timbak aje. Tapi kebanyakan yang betul
Agak-agak je.
Sebab muscle memory orang cakap.
agak-agak.
Muscle
Mungkin lah.
memory. Wow, okay, memang betul lah. Sebab kita as Singaporeans, we supposed to know our background, our history, so that we will know how it's like living back in the past. So even one of the questions they were asking about the 80s, the 90s. So we as Singaporeans, we should know our history. So we know what our ancestors went through back in the days. Betul tak bang?
Okay, because Singapore is always a moving forward country. So that's why we always need to look at the back of history.
This is why it's important to know about your history, you know all your background about Singapore. Because one day, if you are invited untuk masuk cerita Cuba Jawab, boleh menang prizes. Dengan itu, inilah episod episod untuk Cuba Jawab. Terima kasih sekali lagi untuk sudi datang dan menjawab soalannya. Kita jumpa lagi di episod seterusnya. Cuba Jawab!